Let's move on now to the latest updates coming in from the state of Bengal, where once again we're seeing politics between the BJP and the TMC. They were fighting it out over coronavirus. Now they're fighting it out over Cyclone Amphan. The standoff between the BJP and the TMC government in Bengal continues, with West Bengal BJP President Dilip Ghosh saying that he was stopped by police from visiting the cyclone-ravaged areas of South 24 Parganas district. Ghosh was on his way to Canning and Basanti, two of the many areas of the district affected by Cyclone Amphan, to distribute relief materials. His car was stopped by the police at Dhalai Bridge of the district. Speaking to India Today, Ghosh said that he was stopped because he did not have a travel pass, but other TMC leaders were allowed to roam freely. This comes just a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the state and announced an advance assistance of 1,000 crore rupees for the cyclone hit Bengal. Now, in fact, Cyclone Amphan hit Bengal and Odisha on Wednesday. 80 people died in Bengal due to this cyclone. And let's listen in to what Dilip Ghosh has to say about this entire incident.
बताइए, कल हमने देखा प्रधानमंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री खुद एक साथ गई और ये कहा गया कि कोऑपरेशन होगा, और आज फिर से राजनीति चालू है।
नहीं, ये लोग डरे हुए हैं, हारे हुए हैं। इसीलिए जब कोरोना लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ, लोगों का घर में खाना नहीं था, राशन नहीं था, हमने रिलीफ पहुंचाने का प्रयास किया। 1 करोड़ लोग तो हमने रिलीफ पहुंचाया, लेकिन जगह जगह हमको बाधा दिया गया, पुलिस से, पब्लिक से। हमारे एमपी एमएलए के घर के सामने पुलिस पोस्टिंग किया गया, जबरदस्ती क्वारंटाइन में भेजा गया, मेरे ऊपर एफआईआर हुआ। और आज भी उसी प्रकार हम जब जा रहे हैं सुंदरबन में, जो पीड़ित क्षेत्र में और तूफान पीड़ित लोगों से मिलने के लिए, वहाँ पानी नहीं है, कारण नहीं है, रास्ता नहीं, पुलिस हमको रोका। मैंने 2 घंटा इंतजार किया, बोले आप जिला से पार नहीं कर सकते हैं, लॉकडाउन पास चाहिए। मैंने कानून मान लिया, बैक कर रहा हूँ, तब पुलिस और टीएमसी के गुंडा मिलकर हमारे लोगों को पीट रहे हैं यहाँ। ये कौन सा राजनीति है, कौन सा कानून है? इसलिए मुझे वापिस आना पड़ा।
आपने कहा कि कोऑपरेशन होगा राज्य सरकार से, लेकिन कैसे हो पाएगा इस वातावरण?
हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी ने तूफान को रात को ही बोला था राजनीति होनी चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन राजनीति उन्होंने शुरू किया है। मैं कोई राजनीति करने नहीं जा रहा, पीड़ित लोगों से मिलने जा रहा था, हमको रोका गया, हमारे कर्मियों को पीटा जा रहा है। तो राजनीति कहाँ नहीं हुआ है, और ऐसा ही राजनीति होगा तो हम भी इसी प्रकार उत्तर देंगे।
बिल्कुल, आप सुन सकते हैं यहाँ पे दिलीप घोष, पश्चिम बंगाल बीजेपी के अध्यक्ष। कल प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी राज्य में आए थे, उसके साथ साथ मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी भी थी, और ये कहा गया था कि दोनों की तरफ से, दोनों पार्टियों की तरफ से कोऑपरेशन होगा, दोनों सरकार की तरफ से कोऑपरेशन होगा। लेकिन 24 घंटे भी नहीं बीते, लेकिन हम देख सकते हैं राजनीति फिर से गरमाने लगी।
So that was a conversation that Indrajit just had with Dilip Ghosh, the Bengal BJP chief, where he's spoken about why he was blocked from entering districts of South 24 Parganas to distribute relief material. Already the politics kicking off as the BJP's claimed that Dilip Ghosh was stopped by authorities, and yet TMC leaders were allowed to visit these cyclone-ravaged areas without any pass. Now the authorities had in fact communicated to Dilip Ghosh that he wasn't allowed to move any further and visit 2 particular districts that were badly affected by the cyclone, because he did not have a pass. Now the BJP maintains that this is politics over the cyclone, and that he should be allowed, that Dilip Ghosh should be allowed to travel across the cyclone hit areas and help in any way he can. There's been no statement really that's coming from the government so far. Indrajit Kundu is joining us live with more details on this. Indrajit, we just played out the conversation that you had with Dilip Ghosh, who claims that he was unfairly stopped by the authorities from visiting the cyclone ravaged areas. What really is the allegation that Dilip Ghosh is levelling? Has there been any response from the government?
Well, basically what's happening is that we are seeing full-fledged politics playing out over cyclone relief right now. And this is barely 24 hours after we saw the kind of bonhomie between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, with both the administration, both the parties saying that there will be full cooperation. This morning when Dilip Ghosh was on his way to South 24 Pargana district to visit the affected areas, he was stopped by the police. Dilip Ghosh alleges that police said that he did not have necessary permits to travel during this lockdown which is ensuing in the state right now. However, Dilip Ghosh and his supporters started protesting there. Trinamool Congress supporters also gathered and started sloganeering against the BJP. So it was a heated altercation. Dilip Ghosh has later gone back to the state party office, and he said that this is nothing but vendetta politics, and that Mamta Banerjee administration is trying to stop and create hurdles in the way the BJP operates. He said that the Trinamool Congress ministers and MPs were visiting all these affected areas. Even during the entire corona outbreak, we've seen several Trinamool Congress ministers going and distributing relief. However, BJP MPs were stopped at their residences. They were stopped by the police. So they are saying that this is nothing but vendetta politics and using the state administration and the police.
Okay, Indrajit, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.